They say Kim Kardashian doesn't wake up glowing by accident. Her skin isn't just genetics or good lighting, it's engineered. So today, I decided to test one of her most talked about secrets for myself, without a luxury clinic or a celebrity budget. This is my real attempt at recreating Kim Kardashian's red light therapy at home, and finding out if that famous glow can really be built with nothing but light. Red light therapy has quietly taken over the skincare world. Dermatologists recommend it, influencers swear by it. Biohack vaults treat it like a daily ritual. It promises smoother texture, fewer breakouts, softer fine lines, and that calm, rested look that no serum ever quite delivers. But I kept asking myself the same question. Is this real science or just another pretty trend? If you've ever stood in front of your mirror under unforgiving lighting, examining dull skin or scars that refuse to fade, you already know the frustration. You try product after product, routine after routine, hoping the next one will finally be the solution. I've been there for years, chasing results that never quite last. That's why the idea of using light instead of more chemicals felt different. Red light therapy, also known as low-level light therapy, works by sending specific wavelengths into the skin that reach the mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside your cells. When they absorb that red light, they produce more energy, boost collagen, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. Instead of masking problems, it encourages your skin to heal itself. So I created my own tiny red light corner at home. Nothing fancy, just a red LED panel set at face level, a chair placed comfortably in front, the room lights turned off, and a timer set for 15 minutes. When I switched it on, the whole space transformed into this soft, glowing red cocoon. It felt like stepping into a futuristic spa without leaving my room. As the light washed over my face, I closed my eyes and let myself be still. No phone, no notifications, just quiet. And honestly, even if nothing else changed, that alone felt healing. They say red light increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tired skin. It calms inflammation, which is why it helps with acne. It stimulates collagen, which slowly softens fine lines. Not overnight miracles, but steady, subtle progress. I didn't feel anything dramatic. No heat, no stinging, just warmth and calm. Over the next few days, I repeated the same simple routine. Same chair, same soft playlist, same 15 minutes of stillness. And something started to shift. My skin didn't suddenly look airbrushed, but it felt calmer. Breakouts healed quicker. The redness I usually wake up with softened. My makeup started sitting smoother, and I noticed that tired look slowly fading into something healthier. But the biggest change wasn't just on my face, it was in my mindset. Red light therapy became less about fixing flaws and more about creating a moment of care. In a world that constantly pushes speed, stress, and perfection, sitting quietly under a red glow feels like a rebellion. It's choosing presence over pressure. That's what makes this whole thing so powerful. Something this simple is part of the routines of people who can afford literally anything. It proves that true luxury isn't always expensive, it's intentional. So did it work? I didn't walk out looking like Kim Kardashian, but I did feel more comfortable in my own skin, more relaxed, more consistent with my routine. And sometimes, that's where the real glow begins, long before it shows in the mirror. If you've tried red light therapy, drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear what changed for you. And if you haven't watched my last experiment, I tried Beyoncé's $1 million face routine for $25. Make sure you check that out next. Because here in the Biohack Vault, We test what the billionaires swear by and show how to make it work for real women.